Welcome to today's video on maintaining a clog-free drain in Calgary. In this video, we will share some essential tips and tricks to keep your drains flowing smoothly and prevent pesky clogs. Let's get started. One effective way to prevent clogs is by using drain guards. By placing these small mesh screens over your drains, they will catch hair, food particles, and other debris before they have a chance to go down the drain and cause blockages. It's a simple and inexpensive solution that can save you from a lot of plumbing headaches. Regular cleaning of your drains is crucial for maintaining their functionality. You can use a mixture of vinegar and baking soda to clean and deodorize your drains. Simply pour this mixture down the drain and let it sit for a while before flushing it with hot water. This natural cleaning solution helps break down grease, grime, and other buildup, keeping your drains clear and free-flowing. One common cause of clogs in kitchen drains is the improper disposal of grease and food waste. It's important to avoid pouring grease down the drain as it can solidify and block the pipes. Instead, let it cool down and dispose of it in the trash. Similarly, scrape food waste into the trash or compost bin instead of rinsing it down the sink. These simple habits can go a long way in preventing clogs. While there are many steps you can take to prevent clogs, it's also a good idea to schedule regular professional drain maintenance. A licensed plumber can inspect your drains, identify any potential issues, and provide cleaning or repairs if necessary. They have the expertise and tools to ensure your drains stay clog-free and in optimal condition. Maintaining a clog-free drain in Calgary is all about adopting good habits and taking proactive steps to keep your drains clean and clear. By using drain guards, following a regular cleaning routine, avoiding grease and food waste, and seeking professional maintenance when needed, you can enjoy hassle-free plumbing and prevent costly repairs. Thank you for watching.